Hello students, today we are going to cover noun, number and gender. The noun number are of two types, singular and plural. What is noun number? Noun number is a collection of persons or things. It represents one thing or more than one things. So when you see any individual person or things or a group of person or things, it is termed as noun number. Now, noun numbers are of two types, singular and plural. What is singular number? The singular number indicates one thing which is spoken of. Singular means only an individual person, only one. For example, you can see here a girl, a boy, a book, a church, etc. Here you can see only one person. Now, what is plural number? The plural number indicates two or more things. When you see more than one people or a thing, it is termed as plural. As you can see here, there are 2 girls, 3 boys, 5 books and 2 churches. So this is plural number. Again, there are 2 noun numbers, singular and plural. Singular means only a single person or thing, whereas plural means more than one person or things. Now there are some rules to change a singular noun into a plural noun. Let's have a look. While converting from singular to plural, most of the words ends with the alphabet S. As you can see here, 1 bug, 2 bugs. Here the word bugs end with an alphabet S. Rule number 2. If you see any word which ends with CH, SH, S, double S, X or Z, you should end it with a word ES. As you can see an example here, ostrich, which ends with CH. While converting into a plural form, you will add ES, that is OSTRICHES, ostriches. Few more examples like push, pushes, class, classes, volcano, volcanoes, ox, oxes. Rule number 3. When you see any word which ends with an alphabet Y, just add IES. For example, puppy, puppies. Here note that you have to replace the word Y and add IES. In the previous rules, we haven't replaced any word, we just add S or ES. But in this rule, you have to replace Y and add IES, like puppy and plural form is puppies. You can see Y is replaced here. Few more examples like lady, ladies. LADY, lady, will replace the word Y and add IES. So LADIES. Rule number 4. When you see any word ending with an alphabet F or FE, you have to replace the word F or FE and then add VES. For example, you can see here leaf, LEAF. Here we will replace an alphabet F and add VES, that is LEAVES, leaves. Few more examples like loaf, LOAF, will replace an alphabet F and add VES, so LOAVES. Next, knife, KNIFE. Here you can see it ends with FE, so we'll replace it and write VES, so KNIVES, knives. So in rule number 1 and rule number 2, you don't need to replace any alphabet, but in rule 3 and rule 4, you need to replace an alphabet. Next, we'll study about noun, gender. There are 4 types of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. So what is masculine gender? It refers to name of boys or men. It is a male gender. For example, father, son, priest, uncle, host, king, hero, landlord, tiger, etc. What is feminine gender? It refers to names of girls and women. It is a class of female persons or animals. For example, aunt, mother, maiden, grandma, hen, goose, nun, niece, landlady, tigress, etc. What is common gender? It refers to names of both boys and girls. Common gender includes both male or female persons. For example, your sports teacher is a male teacher, music teacher is your male teacher, whereas other teachers are female. But you don't term them as male teachers or female teachers. You just call them teachers. So this is an example of common gender. More examples like doctor, visitor, cousin, relative, nurse, friend, manager, singer, etc. Common example is friend. You must be having both boy or girl as your friend, but you don't call them as male friend or female friends. You just call them friends. Last, neuter gender. It refers to names of things or object. We don't know the gender of any thing or object, so we termed it as neuter gender. For example, eraser, shoes, chocolate, car, desk, bus, book, pants, library, television, honesty, etc. It includes the name of place, things, abstract nouns, etc. For example, Gandhidham, we don't know its gender, so we'll call it as neuter gender. So let's revise it. Masculine gender includes male, feminine gender includes female, common gender includes both male and female, whereas neuter gender refers to any things or object.